Levitation was a challenge I proposed to the world because I wanted us to see the world differently, to appreciate the beauty of the real, transient moments, and to stop us from limiting ourselves with externalities. What people don't know is that Levitation was inspired by my surroundings growing up in Queens, by classical music that consumed my life, and by my loved ones who told me nothing is impossible. Funny how I actually believed them. I've given my life to this craft for a decade, and now it's a duty to share everything I know about this technique with the next generation so they keep this art form moving forward. There is this one quote that says something like, "In order for you to receive, you have to let go," and I think that time is now. And as I'm here sending my prints to my collectors, it fills me with gratitude seeing the work I've done commercially finally being collected as art. It is humbling to finally share the knowledge I've collected with all of you, and I cannot wait till we levitate together.